Right, so if I record that and I scratch it, we should hear that. So recording now, it shouldn't hear anything because there's no microphone connected. So now this is the microphone test, and I've got the microphone on my shirt, and if I fiddle with it, should get that, but shouldn't get that. So there's that versus that. So we're back to standard microphone. So I'm over here. Hold that. Now it's well away from me. Tap the camera. Nothing. Come up to here. Okay. So now we're going to do it again. Let's pick that up. Right. So I've got the microphone in my left hand and the GoPro in my right hand. Put that down. Ooh. So I'm right back here, away from it. Shouldn't hear that, me tapping on it. I'm right back here, tripping over stuff on the floor. So here I am, and if the microphone is pinned to me cheek piece like this, blah 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 blah, yacky 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 yacky, Rolex. Try that. Right, we're going to try that one more time. Back to standard mic. Standard mic plus is a bit too loud. So we're over here. That's the external microphone. I'm blowing on it. If I hold it away like that, I'm tapping the camera, you shouldn't hear it. I'm back here again, talking blah blah blah. And see how that goes. What happens if we unplug the microphone from the GoPro adapter? Does it record then? Right, let's try that one more time. Having taken it all apart and sprayed it with switch cleaner, so I'm standing over here with the microphone in my hand. I'm blowing on it. Okay, and you can hear that, hopefully. And if we go over here, I'm holding the microphone at arm's length. I'm tapping the case of the camera. Nothing, shouldn't be. You shouldn't hear that. It's all over here if I do that, because what I discovered is, how does GoPro know when the external microphone is plugged in? When the plug is actually pushed into the adapter. There's not when the adapter is plugged into the camera. You then plug a 3.5mm plug, jack plug, into the GoPro adapter, and there's obviously a switch in there, and it pushes this switch off or open or on or whatever, and that tells the camera there's an external microphone connected. If anything happens to that connection, so it goes open circuit or whatever, or the plug drops out or whatever it is, the camera will revert to its own internal microphone, and that's what's been happening. So all this time the camera has been using just its own internal microphone and not getting the external microphone at all. It can't even see that it's there because this switch, or this however it works, is not operating in the adapter. I'll see if I can buy another one, maybe get a spare one. Anyway, we'll see if that's, so that's external mic. If I talk over here, it should sound far away. Do that on the camera, it should near it. Over here, rustle, whatever, click. What is that like? Let's play it back.